Good morning everyone. Myself Juman Das. Today I am going to make craft with egg tray, poster colors, brush, glue, some wool, stones, pipes, scissors, small pieces of mirrors. Let's start how to make the craft. I have painted only. See, everyone. Like this you have to paint first of all. Then after painting let it be wet, dry. Then see, take some pipes from the packet, put on here. Before I have put only two, so I am going to finish that. See, I am taking now stone at last. You have to put one by one. See, I have put the stone now. It becomes like this 11 pieces. 11. Total 11 pieces or 12 pieces. How many you want to give in the egg tray? Okay, now we are going to do the main part of the tray. Let's start it. I'm taking the egg tray now. See, we have given this. It is finished. It is finished. It is finished given. Now we are going to put this on here. That I have said only. Let's keep it. Now our craft is ready. Everyone see? The waste materials in the home and the craft. Thank you everyone.